So you are wondering if Elixir is actually something you should join. Watch this video. It will help you to make up your mind. As we all know, and for some of you who are just hearing for the first time, Elixir is gradually becoming one of the go-to platforms that smart individuals who are looking for how to make income online in a very legit way are running to, and they are looking for how to earn steady income. They are running to it, and through affiliate marketing they are making money on it. I don't know what your own decision is. You want to do affiliate marketing, you are asking people, you say, please teach me affiliate marketing. Look at an opportunity. An opportunity is right in front of your nose, but you are not running with it. There are a lot of affiliate marketing companies out there. But if you are watching this video and you are one of those who are having issues withdrawing your affiliate commission from foreign platforms, perhaps you have sold a lot of their products, and then getting your money out of such platforms is becoming difficult. You are in Nigeria, you are in Cameroon, you are in Ghana, you are in Uganda, and you are still looking for what to do. Elixir is what you can do. Yes, it is what you can do as a beginner today. It is a game of numbers, so don't let anybody deceive you. For now, Elixirnet.ng is working. Have you registered? You have not registered. You are hearing that it's a scam. It may be a scam. Maybe the owner scammed somebody somewhere or what. Your own is for you to get on board, register, choose your affiliate link, which is a referral link, and begin to create a platform for yourself where people can hear you, market it, and then make your sales. I want to welcome you to Be My Own Boss Academy, and my name is Treasure. In this video today, I'm going to show you why you should join Elixirnet.ng. Elixirnet.ng is a comprehensive platform that is designed for affiliate marketers. It offers them tools, it offers them resources, it offers them supportive community that will help you to succeed, even if you are a newcomer. If you are a beginner and you are thinking that, why are they making money on this platform? This platform is simple. You don't have to go through a lot of processes for you to become a member. And this is one of the ways in which you can learn affiliate marketing. Because affiliate marketing is all about you looking for a product, in this case Elixir. Once you get the product, then you register on the platform, then you get your links. Once you get your referral links, you will now promote it, which is the next step. When you promote it, you get paid. Then you repeat this process over and over and over again. However, you should note that I'm not a financial advisor, and so you should do your due diligence before you join any platform. And you should also note that for every qualified referral that comes through me, I get paid as an affiliate. So once this is out of the way, let's talk about the reason why you should choose Elixirnet.ng. Of course, if you want to learn more about it, there's a link to my website in the description below. Follow that link and read through the posts I have created on my website, Be My Own Boss Academy, Be Mob Academy. You will see it under Elixir. You can go through it, and then you can also learn more about it. So why join Elixir? I think one of the reasons why you should join is because it is beginner friendly. I have tried some affiliate marketing, companies in the past that you will market, the company, including popular ones that I won't mention them here. You will do you become their affiliate, you get qualified links for them to pay you. They'll be turning you round and round and round like that. This platform is not like that. It is straightforward. It is user friendly. You understand? As a beginner, it is very easy for you. Once you log into the platform, you can see where your money is when it is time. Once you meet the payouts, the minimum withdrawal level, you can click on withdraw. It will go to your account. You don't have to go through one upline or the other for you to get your money out. So I believe this is one of the reasons why you should consider Elixir. Another thing is that they have a very high payout potentials. I can tell you for free that 70% to 90% commission in any affiliate business is high. And so what do you want to do? Because this is high, it is a game of number. You know, the more you bring, the more you get for you as an affiliate. Now, some people will say, no, I don't know how to do affiliate. Why? Why don't you know how to do affiliate? If you can carry your phone, you can chat, you can forward some information online to people. The same way when you are looking for affiliate commission, you should be able to talk about it. Another reason why you should consider Elixir is that there is a supportive community. There's a supportive community that every qualified member who registered and has their account, they will give you that community. You can join their link and then you can see information and update from time to time. What are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below. If you want to join, click that link. It will take you to where you will join under Be My Own Boss Academy. If you need more information, chat me through that link and then you'll be able to get more information. But I don't think there's any other information more than what I'm telling you here that you need. Another thing you should remember is that for now, they have reliable payouts. I mean, you have your money, it is there, you are not looking at it. You can withdraw. Your sales commission is easy to withdraw. For some of you that you say, okay, the platform, you don't want to do affiliate commission, you want to do social, digital marketing where you want to refer them to their, to your social media account, you need to know the rules. And this is why you should join under somebody who will give you all the support you need. At Be My Own Boss Academy, we have created a group for Elixir members. So if you join under Be My Academy, you will have a supportive group. As a beginner, we will direct you, we will guide you on what you should do after you have registered. And you will have regular updates too. And you have an upline you can reach out to and say, this and this and these are your challenges. Now, how do you join Elixir? Let me show you how you can join Elixir. Register on Elixir, click on the sign up button or join our group where you'll be given the direct sign up button. Once you click on that link, it should take you to the Elixir registration page, which you are seeing, and it should be showing that you are joining under BMOB Academy. Okay, so once you get to this page, what you want to do next is to enter your details. So for instance, let's assume I'm entering a new downline or a new person. You enter the name, the full name of the person. You want to enter the email of that same person. Then after that, choose a very strong password for the referral or the person you are referring. Is either you help the person or you put the person through. For your password, make sure you have both uppercase, lowercase, and number. Then you enter your correct phone number. All right. After you enter your correct phone number, you will now go ahead and make sure you select your country. If you're in Cameroon, if you're in Ghana, any of your country, just click on it. You can see for now we have 3 more updates for other countries. It's going to be affected on the platform. Now they will ask you for your code. This is the reason why you need to chart your upline, because it is at this point that many people get it wrong. They go ahead and click on get code, and once they click on get code, you might likely fall into the hand of wrong people. And falling into the hand of wrong people can make you lose your money easily. So for you to avoid this, you want to chat your upline directly. That is why you should also sign up under somebody who you know that you can hold on to, which means you don't want to play or gamble with your little money. All right. So after that, you should chat your upline. Your upline will guide you on how to get your code from the vendors. After that, choose your package. At the point of doing this on my phone, it will not show you the second package. However, I will use the other one for, my laptop to show you the package is showing. These are some of the vendors you will see if you are registering in Nigeria. Once it give you your code, make sure before you click on register, you check that you are still registering under BMOB Academy. Then go ahead and submit. For foreign vendors, for those of you that are outside Nigeria, just go to the three dotted line and click on foreign vendors. Once you click on foreign vendors, it will give you option of all the people you can buy your code from. However, like I said, if you are registering under BMOB Academy, please chat me directly so that I can give you legit vendors that will not collect your money and block you. This is very, very important. This applies also to you if you are in Nigeria. Once your code is done and you have registered yourself, the next thing you want to do is to request to be added to our group. This group is where you will be taught how you can generate leads. If you're seeing this page, it means you have successfully registered on Elixir, and what you should be seeing is that it will be showing you your own username. Of course, you want to choose a good username that is short, that will be easy for people to remember. So like we said, we are using this as a demo account. And in this page, you will see that once you come here, it's a very easy page. Automatically, once you register with 6,000 naira, which is equivalent to other, amounts in your own currency, you will see that you can see it's showing the all-time earnings. Your sales commission will still be 0. It will automatically give you $5 for your ads. Of course, that is the bonus that Elixir gives to every new comer on the platform, and that is why it is showing you all-time earnings. So you should be seeing this, because basically you can either go into their NFTs and all that, but remember, the basis of this video is to show you how to become an affiliate on their platform. So basically, you can take your time to go through all the different pages of things that you can do on Elixir. Of course, you can post your product on Elixir with the market one. You can, acquire skills. You can upload your videos. You can buy stocks. I'm sure with time, some of these things will be unfolding. You can link your Facebook and your TikTok account here. You can link your Facebook here, and, a lot of other things. And then if you come down a bit, you will see that it is showing you, if you have started your referring business, the affiliate part, you will be seeing the total number of people that you have referred automatically to their platforms. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you will see that that $5 I was showing you is a registration bonus. So you should be seeing that on this page. Now, what we are interested in is where you are seeing where you say referral link. So you can either see your referral link showing here. This is mine, of course. You will be seeing your own referral link. Copy this referral link, keep it safe in a notepad or a mini place where you will not miss it out, where you can copy it and easily give it to people. In your own case, it should be showing that your referral is BMOB Academy. All right. Okay, so let's leave this page. Let's go back to our dashboard, and then we can continue from there. So you will copy this referral link in a safe place, and then you will send a message to me that this as you have been able to log in. Once you are able to log in and you have copied your referral link, send a message to me to add you to our training group, where we are going to show you what you need to do to start referring and earning commission. Remember that for every affiliate you refer to the Elixir platform, you will be getting up to 95% of their commissions back. That is huge when you compare it to a lot of affiliates companies out there. So I believe this video is well explanatory. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel, and then if you have any other questions, you can drop it in the comment section.